In order to replace the battery for this remote, notice behind the remote there is actually a slider button right there. Just slide that upside and then pull out the key. Once the key is taken out, now we'll keep the logo portion at the top and the button portion at the bottom. Notice there's actually a space right there in that middle section. I'll be using the top portion of the key I took out. We'll punch in the top portion of the key in that small space right there, just like that you could see. And while holding it in that position like that, I'm going to tilt the key itself. There it is, just like that. Now I will pull out the top portion. Once the top portion is taken out, right there is our battery. Now I'll be using a screwdriver like this. We'll punch in the screwdriver on the edge to pull out the battery itself. There it is, just like that. We are done taking out the battery for this remote, and it is a CR2032 type battery. We'll keep the bad battery aside, and here I have the new battery with me. Before installing the new one in the remote, just make sure the plus sign right there stays at the top. Now we'll go ahead and install it on the remote. Notice right there on the remote there are two tabs coming out. Just make sure the battery is slided into those two tabs first. Once in position, then we will push the battery down. There we got the battery in position. Now we'll punch in the other side cover. We'll carefully punch in the other side with the logo on top, then press it down from one side. Similar way we'll press down the other side, followed by pressing the top part. After that, we'll go ahead and slide in the key back where we took it out from. And with that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.